Now here is the question for this module, and you have to just make this figure in AutoCAD, and just pause the video and try to do it by yourself. Now I have just opened the AutoCAD, and first I'll just create here a polygon with 6 sides. So I'll just click over here to activate this one. Then I'll just go with 6 sides. I'll just enter sides, and then I'll just go with this option, edge option, and I'll just specify first endpoint over here. Now the next thing here will be we have to just specify the edge length. So in this case I'll just go here with 12.5 feet. Okay, so I'll hit enter. Now this polygon has been created. Now we have to just create a circle over here. So in this case I'll just go with the circle command, and I'll just create a circle on each edge with 2.5 feet of radius. So I'll hit enter. Now let me just copy this circle from here to this point. So I'll just go with copy command. I'll select this one, I'll hit enter. Now I'll just pick this as a base point, and I'll put it over here. Now let me just mirror both of these circle on these edges as well. So in this case I'll just go with mirror command, mi enter, then I'll select both of these circles and I'll hit enter. Now we have to just specify first point of mirror line. So I'll click over here as a first point. Now for second point I'll just click anywhere over here. Okay, so I'll click over here. Now it is just prompting erase source object, so I do not want to erase, so I'll click over this no option. Now it is going to mirror on this edge as well. Now we have to just copy this circle on these edges as well. So I'll just go with copy command. I'll select this circle, I'll hit enter, and I'll just pick from here. I'll copy it over here and over here as well. Now let me just escape this one, and the next thing here will be, let me just draw a line over here from this quadrant to this quadrant. Okay, now the next I'll just mirror this line in this direction as well. So I'll just go with mirror command. I'll hit enter, I'll select this line, I'll hit enter again, and I'll just give this point, so it is going to mirror. Now let me just press this no option, and we have to just trim unwanted lines over here to create a perfect shape. So in this case I'll just go with trim option. I'll just enter a command of tr, then I'll just delete these lines. Okay, I'll just go with tr, I'll hit enter. Now I'll just trim this one, and this one as well, like this, this, and this. Now I'll just trim this as well, like this. Okay, the same I'll do here, like this, and I'll just do here as well the same that we did before, like this. Okay, and you will notice our shape has been created over here as per our specification. So that is all about this session. We'll see you in the next.